Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic characteristics of sound. A sound has three characteristics: loudness, pitch, and quality. In other words, sounds are recognized by three different characteristics: loudness, pitch, and quality. Two musical sound may differ from one another in one or more of these characteristics. So we will now discuss all the characteristics. The first one is loudness. Loudness of a sound depends on the amplitude of the vibration producing that sound. Greater is the amplitude of vibration, louder is the sound produced by it. Loud sound travels a long distance because it has higher energy due to the larger amplitude. Loudness of sound is measured in decibel unit. If the sound waves have a small amplitude, then the sound will be faint or soft in the first graph. In the second graph, if the sound waves have a large amplitude, then the sound will be loud. Now the second characteristics of sound is the pitch. Pitch is that characteristics of sound by which we can distinguish between different sounds of the same loudness. The pitch of sound depends on the frequency of vibrations. So pitch of sound is directly proportional to its frequency. Higher the frequency, higher is the pitch and vice versa. The sound of drum and tablas have a lower pitch than the sound produced by a sitar and violin. Now in these two graphs, lower frequency of sound wave, that is low pitch sound. In the second graph, high frequency of sound wave, so it is a high pitched sound. The third characteristics of sound is the quality. The quality of sound is that characteristic which enable us to distinguish between the sounds produced by different sources. We can distinguish between the sounds produced by a flute and a violin even without seeing these instruments. This is because the sounds produced by a flute and a violin differ in quality. The quality of a musical sounds depends on the shape of the sound waves. Now, quality of two musical suppose instruments, that is, here we consider flute or violin. So we can differentiate between the sound which comes from the flute and violin due to its quality. Now musical instruments, there are various types of musical instruments. The first we consider the musical instrument, that is string instrument. In a string instrument, music is produced by vibrating a string. When the strings are plucked, they vibrate to produce a musical sound of some particular frequency. Guitar, sitar, violin, veena, sarod, etc. are the examples of string instruments. The frequency can be varied by changing the length of the strings. Shorter the length of the string, higher the pitch. Wind instruments. In wind instruments, sound is produced due to the vibration of air columns. Some examples of wind instruments are flute, sahnai, mouth organs, trumpet, etc. By changing the length of the vibrating air column, we can change the pitch of the sound. As for example, in the case of flute, if the length of the flute will be increased, then the vibration of air column can be also changed. So here we can change the pitch of the sound by changing the length of the vibrating air column. And third one is percussion instruments. In percussion instruments, the vibrations of a stressed skin membrane produce the musical sound. So in percussion instruments, sound is produced due to the vibrations of a stressed skin membrane of animals. Dholak, tabla, drums, etc. are the examples of percussion instruments. If the skin is struck harder, the loudness increases. Thank you.